All right, we're putting you in the C-suite of a major corporation. Ready to make some big calls?
It's definitely a team effort, but one person has to make that final, crucial decision.
That's you. And your entire high-stakes job boils down to just 3 big questions.
Seriously, if you can master these 3 decisions, you're going to shape the company's entire future. First up, capital budgeting. So, do you build that new factory or upgrade all your tech?
Next, capital structure. How are you gonna pay for it all? Borrow money or sell off a piece of the company?
And finally, working capital management. The daily cash you need just to keep the lights on.
So you think making a profit is the goal, right? Well, yeah, but there's something bigger, more powerful.
See, profit can be a little fuzzy. The real goal, the one that truly matters, is maximizing the company's stock value.
Why? Because share value looks to the future. It forces you to think about long-term, sustainable growth. But there's a huge obstacle that's actually built right into your job.
It's what we call an agency relationship. You, the manager, are the agent, acting for the owners, the principals.
And here's the problem. What if what's best for you isn't what's best for the owners?
That conflict creates costs. We're talking corporate jets, or even worse, you passing on a great project because it feels too risky.
So how do you fix this? You align everyone's interests. Give managers stock, and they'll start thinking like owners.
Okay, now let's talk about the playground you're in. The type of company you run changes everything.
Take a corporation. It's got a big trade-off. Your personal assets are safe, but profits get taxed twice.
But if you need to raise a ton of cash for some massive project, well, that corporate structure is the way to go. And where do you get that money? From the financial markets. Let's break down the 2 main parts.
Now, the company itself only gets cash from the primary market. Think an IPO. That's a classic example.
So if you're not getting cash from it, why on earth should you care about the secondary market?
Because that's where your stock price is set. It's basically your daily report card on how you're doing. And never forget, building long-term value is impossible without a solid foundation of ethics and trust.
So there you have it. Answer the questions, maximize value, and manage the conflicts. That's the core of it. Okay, you know the playbook now. The real question is, what kind of value are you going to build?